Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. Deep sigh because I really don't like this unit. I feel like when I reviewed the Stevie unit, I was on the fence, but then as I watched it back, I was like, oh, this is a really pretty unit. But with this, I really don't like this at all. I can't even fake that I like this. I feel like it looks really, really bad. But anyway, I digress. The show must go on. This is for the Outre Colorbomb unit. This is the unit Kimani. This is from their blonde collection. This unit is made with premium synthetic fibers. I got this in the color 3D RFF Amber Blonde. As always, on the information card, you can find care instructions as well as additional colors that this unit comes in. All right, so getting into cap construction, you guys can see that there are two combs surrounding the ear tabs on the perimeter of the unit. There is what appears to be a side curved part. Down at the bottom, there is a comb with adjustable straps on both sides. So fresh out of the package, this is what the unit looks like. It comes with that customary amount of lace that synthetic units come with. It also has some baby hairs on the unit. Initially, I am very scared for the direction that this unit is going to go in. I tend to stay away from color because I feel like they just don't look good on my skin tone. But it's okay. I tried it out. I'm going to go in, style this unit to my satisfaction, and then I will come back to you guys at the very end with all my questions, comments, and concerns about this unit. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned, but there are baby hairs on the unit. You guys can see them all through here. All right, you guys, so we're back. This is the final styling of the unit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys that I'm disappointed. On the information card, it definitely looks a lot different than it looks on me. It just, I don't know, it looks more cohesive, more well put together on the information card. It looks like they added some tracks in there because this unit is pretty thin. Then also there's like a very significant drop off of the unit. I feel like the unit probably should have been cut here. I've mentioned this in a lot of my synthetic unit reviews, but I feel like they cut these long layers into the unit and there's a point where it just cuts off and then it gets really really thin and ratty and skimpy. And I think that that point is right here because when I stand up, you guys are gonna see that's what it looks like. All the body is right about here. Down here, it's ratty. Doesn't look good. Don't like the color that I chose for this. I was actually going to get a jet black one, but they did not offer that because this is from the Colorbomb line. So I decided to try a different color and I actually regret this. I kind of wish that I would have picked up a different unit to review, but it's fine. We're here now. As always, to the parting space, I did go ahead and go in with the Ulta contour kit. This is the Bombshell bronzer. I'm pointing at the wrong thing. I use the Bombshell bronzer and I just apply that to the parting space. In terms of shedding, this is the shedding that I got. I'm not sure if it'll show up. This is the shedding that I got from brushing the hair. The hair brushes out fairly easily. You guys can see that I am getting some snags, but that is expected with any kind of hair that is not bone straight. The curlier it is, the more that it's probably going to tangle and snag. In terms of length, I will stand up again so that you guys can see. I'm 5'9", my belly button is right here, and it is hitting me. Yeah, it's going to the belly button. As I mentioned earlier, this unit is pretty thin. It doesn't really have much body to it, and honestly, past the point where I said that it probably should be cut like right here, it just looks really ratty. Like it's a different curl texture. It looks like this part was curled with a large barrel curling iron, and then down here, this not down here, up here, this was curled with a wand or a smaller barrel curling iron. There's honestly really no cohesiveness throughout the unit, and I'm actually wearing the same color as this model, but you guys can see that this is not the same thing. Like, look at me, look at her. It doesn't look the same, and I understand that she's lighter than me, but that does not look the same. It doesn't even look like we're wearing the same unit. I am disappointed. I've said this in another video because there are, out of this order of units, 3 of them worked and 2 of them were absolute fails, and I feel like there are some units that I'm like on the fence about, but I convince myself, I'm like, it looks absolutely stunning on the model, and then I get it, I'm like, I can't even rehab this to make this look presentable. But it is okay, because if I help somebody in the process, save them some coins, I'm all for it. I'm trying to see if no, I feel like even if I cut it, it's still gonna look atrocious because you got this little situation going on here. In terms of shine, it is pretty shiny. I mean, there's really no way around it. I feel like with darker hair, you can kind of get away with it, but with this blonde hair, there's just unnecessary shine on the unit, and I guess that's to not make it look dull and ashy, but it does look a little bit plasticky. So that is all, you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more wig reviews, definitely comment down below what you want me to review. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.